find the seventh term from the end of the series root 2, 2, 2 root 2 and so on all the way up till 32. Alright, since we want to find the seventh term from the end, let's just reverse the entire geometric progression and see what it will look like, right? So if I'm going via the normal route, starting from root 2 and so on, if you go this way, you can see the first term is root 2. And the common ratio will be 2 divided by root 2, which will give me root 2, or 2 root 2 upon 2, which will also give me root 2. So on going the normal route, if you see the common ratio is root 2. Now if I start from the back, if I start from 32 moving all the way till root 2, here in this trajectory from the beginning towards the end, I was multiplying root 2 to every term to get the next. And if I go from the end towards the beginning, I would have to divide every term by root 2 to get to the next term, right? Understand, whenever you reverse a geometric progression like that, you have to consider the reciprocal of the common ratio, the normal common ratio, right? So let's just consider a few terms of this GP. So the first term we know is 32. The term after that will be 32 divided by root 2, or 32 into 1 upon root 2, correct? So to solve that, we'll have to rationalize the denominator. So that is 32 upon root 2 into root 2 upon root 2, right? Rationalizing the denominator. So 32 2 into 2 is 2, so that gives me 16 root 2, right? And the term after that will be 16 root 2 divided by root 2, or rather 1 upon root 2. So that will give me root 2 gets cancelled, that will give me 16, right? So so what this means, so what I was trying to get at is basically the seventh term from the end of the series is what we want to find. The seventh term from the end of square root 2 to 2 root 2 and so on all the way till 32 is equal to the seventh term of the series 32 16 root 2 16 and so on all the way up till root 2. So what I've done is I've just flipped the geometric progression around. So and instead of finding the seventh term from, I'm basically finding the seventh term from the end is like finding the seventh term from the beginning of this particular GP, right? So remember, whenever you are flipping a GP around, whenever you're reversing a GP, the common ratio, you consider the reciprocal of the common ratio in that case. So over here, I can, as clearly I can see for this particular geometric progression, the first term A is equal to 32, right? This is all about for this particular series. The first term A is 32. The common ratio, as we discussed earlier, is 1 upon root 2, right? 1 upon root 2. And we want to find the seventh term of the series. Now we know the formula for the nth term. The formula for the nth term, let's note that down really quick. Tn, nth term of a geometric progression, is equal to A into R, right? The common ratio R, raised to the power n minus 1. So n minus 1. This is the formula that we want to use, and we want to solve this for n equal to 7, because we want to find the seventh term of this particular series. So for n is equal to 7, T7 would be equal to A, which we know is 32, R, which we know is 1 upon root 2. Let's give myself some more space here. R, which we know is 1 upon root 2. And we want to raise this to the power of 7 minus 1, n minus 1, right? Let's simplify this to find the value of the seventh term that we get for this particular geometric progression. So that is 32 to the power 1 upon square root of 2 to the power 6. Right. So so 2 square root of 2 root to the power 6, right? So root 2 into root 2 is 2, that into root 2 is 2, root 2 again into root 2 is 4, and then that will give me 8, right? So 32 into 1 upon 8, right? 1 upon root 2 to the power 6 is 1 upon 8. and if you calculate this, we get the value as 4. So the seventh term from the end of the given series is actually 4, which is the same as the seventh term from the beginning of this reversed geometric progression. Right, so let's write that down. Now let's write that down as a final answer, right? So therefore, seventh term from the end is 4. This is our final answer.